Okay, I demonstrated for you my own memory skills. Pandey luggage ke you have a good memory. Raise your one hand. Badhane luggage you have a bad memory. Then raise both your hands. Okay, the first thing is you don't have a good memory. You don't have a bad memory. The memory is either trained, and if not trained, it is untrained. Either you know how to do a particular thing or you don't know how to do a particular thing. So, in order to train your memory, you need three things. You need I, you need O, you need C. So, what is I? Memory ke vishaya mein, what is I? Very close, but not the right answer. So, what else? IQ is very close, but still not the right answer. Yeah. What is the right word? IQ is close, but not the right answer. No. This time, where is this? Sunil was to come today, na? He was going to volunteer. He didn't come. Your friend who is full of imagination, he didn't come today. Imagination is the correct word. That's a hint. Okay. I stands for imagination. I is imagination. What is O? Memory, in memory, what is O?
Observation.
Right. Observation is correct. And all my parents, their children, they complain to me, they don't study with C. What
Concentration.
is C? Concentration. So these are the three laws of memory. Imagination, observation, concentration. Abhi, instead of talking about it, we'll do a practical example. Can you all stand up? Bata nahi. I'm going to take you to London. We are going to see the 5 T's of London with actions. First is O. Raise your hand and say O. O. What's the first word? O. Now comes beach. Jaise ki Chapati beach. Let's go down. Beach. So the first one is O. Beach. Now comes chestnut. Hit your chest and say chestnut. Okay. So what are the first 3 words? Oak, beech, chestnut. Now comes L. Touch your eye and say L. L. E-L-M. L. And the last one, you are pushing someone, maple. Maple. Okay. Now, without me, બધા 5 T's પાછા બોલો. What are they?
Oak, beech, chestnut, elm, maple.
Maple. Good. Now, sit down. Now, when we did this, why were we using this actions? Can you say? Why were we doing this actions? The actions, Tina maybe would have said, how does the action help? It has to correlate, right one. Okay, correlation, imagination, linking, association are the backbone of memory. Normally we mug up things and after some time we forget. But when we correlate and remember, we don't forget. To start, your number is 81087494112. I'm not saved it, you can check my phone. Sir, your number is 9820026288, right? I'm not yet loaded your number, and I'll load it. But 21st December, I will remember. So, you correlate to something or the other and you remember. But when you don't do that and you mug up things, each cheese you forget everything. Now, when we talk about I, it's imagination. Imagination is creativity in a person. This is a pen. I throw it down, it goes down. But when I throw it up, it doesn't go up. Why does it come down? Gravity. Who discovered gravity? Newton. When he saw that orange falling down from the tree. Apple. So was he the only one? Or were there other people also in the garden? But he was the only one who used his imagination. We all are as talented as Newton, but we have not used our imagination as yet. What is O? Observation. So let's see your observation. What's your name?
Zarwan.
Spell it.
Z-A-R-V-A-N.
Okay, wrong. What's your name? Spell it.
K-A-I-W-A-N.
Okay, wrong. Okay, what's your name? Yeah. Spell it.
A-F-R-W-A-N.
No one has realized yet, I guess. Okay. Now, Mania, what's your name? Spell it. No, you have not realized this. Okay. What's your name?
I know.
Okay.
IT.
IT is correct. I said spell it. It is IT. Okay. Now,
IT?
what is this? Arthur 9. Can you make this? Can the audience come a little forward? Please. जल्दी का take this as 6. This is a 9 and a 6 के भी तो बनावन sorry S. Yes, correct. You put an S and it becomes a 6. Now you have the calculators, but you don't have to use the calculators. If I want to know how many seconds are there in a year, how will you multiply? What will you do?
365
So 86,400 into 365. But I will say there are only 12 seconds in a year. How? 2nd Jan, 2nd Feb, 2nd March, 2nd April till 2nd December. So that's how memory is something कि अगर तुम्हें आसानी से करो, it becomes very easy. Otherwise, it becomes a tough exercise. Okay, I started the show with my skills. Now, before that, before I do some maths trick, what are the 5 trees of London? I forgot. What were they?
Oak,
beech, chestnut, elm, maple.
Good. You still remember it. Okay. Now, let's do some maths together. What is 5 5s are?
25.
Okay. What is 15 into 15? Anyone knows? Raise your hand. 225. One very easy question. 25 into 25. 625. Now, agar I want to do multiply 85 into 85. How do I do that? I will use Vedic maths. What is 5 5s are?
25.
25. What's the first number?
8.
What comes after 8?
9.
What is 8 9s are?
72.
Is the answer right? People in the calculators to check it. How many minutes are there?
6.5. 7.
Okay, just 2-3 minutes more and pachi thoda pictures le jao.
Yes.
Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what did I do? Suppose I just did 5 by the 25. The first number I multiplied with the next one. What is 45 into 45? Come on.
2025.
2025. Okay, just as right now, Vistav had a 4 teams. Now we'll divide it into 2 teams. This is one, this is the other. Let's see who answers first. What is 35 to 35? 1225. तमें 70 बोलवा देता था. That you are doubling it. It is multiplied. So you get 1 point. What is 95 to 95? 9025. Okay. And suppose I want to do. How do I do? Okay, pull it out. Suppose I want to do 125 into 125. What is 5 5s are? 25. Now, you will do 12 into 13. You may not know 12 into 13. But the most popular square is 12 square. What is 12 square?
144.
144. What is 144 plus 12? 156. The answer is 15625. Now, there was a reason for doing that. Everyone knows what is 12 square. What is 12 square?
144.
144. And almost everyone knows 13 square also. What is 13 square? 169. But तमें कोड़ा observe करेलो कि the ulta of 12 is 21. Ulta of 13 is 31. 21 into 21 is 4, 4, 1. 31 into 31 is
9, 6,
1. Have you ever observed this? Okay? Have you ever done when you are in your school days, college days, you may have multiplied this 10 times, but you have never probably observed. So observation really plays a big role in increasing your memory. Okay, this was one multiplication trick. Let's take a 2-digit number. Give me a 2-digit number. 60, let's make it 63. There's a reason for that. I want to multiply 63 into 11. I can do this mentally in a second. All I do is, I write 6, I write 3. I copy the number. What is 6 plus 3? 9. Is the answer right?
Yes.
How did you? Correct. So the answer is 693. So what is 52 into 11? Come on, this is one team, this is one team.
572.
572 is absolutely right. What is 26 into 11? 286. This took us a little more time because it was a little more challenging question. And an easy one. What is 13 into 11?
143.
Sorry? 143. No, 6 okay, you were called 63 into 11. Okay. Okay, that is 143. So basically, you can actually play with numbers if you do them in a very easy way. Okay, how many minutes?